Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how you can use Submagic AI step by step. If you want to try Submagic AI, you'll find the link in the description. And let's dive in. This is inside on Submagic. You can add captions for your video, create auto video editing, turn long form video into short form video, create avatar that talking. And first, let's try create captions. Click on it and upload your video from desktop here and click on generate captions. It's generate captions automatically without manual editing. This takes some time. Here Submagic analyzing your video and added captions and emojis. Now your video is ready, and this all the style captions here. You can choose anyone you like it. Let's choose the first one. It's good. And the second one, you can change the background from captions. Let's choose this. Click here and preview it. It's really good. Let's choose another one. Here the trend style. Let's choose this. It's good. And let's the new style here. You can hear the premium, a lot of style here. And here you can edit in the captions. You can edit the write your script or added emoji for form caption. And you can generate the hooks with AI too. Click on it and AI generate the hook for stop scrolling. It's good. It's a very helpful option. Now we'll add the b-rolls. You can add the b-rolls with just one click. Click here. And here AI will add the click on magic b-rolls in this button here. Here click on generates. And here AI generate b-rolls for your video. Let's preview it. The b-rolls added in here. You can add zooms. You can add zoom here. The zoom to click generate, and here let's preview the video. Click here and we'll preview the video. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're reviewing Picture AI. This AI tool turn your scripts into full video. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're reviewing. Your video is ready. Click on export the video. Click on this button. Choose the quality you want, HD or any high quality. Click on export and your video is ready. If you want to try Submagic AI, you'll find the link in the description. And now let's go back to try AI auto editing. Click on auto editing. Choose the style you like it here. And style editing here. The first one, second, and three. Here we choose this. Click on it. Continue. We'll upload our video. And here click on button here. And Submagic will edit in your video manually without do anything. It takes some time. And here your video is ready right now. This is your video. Let's preview the video. You can change the style and anything you want, but now I don't do anything. Just upload my video and show this. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're reviewing Picture AI. This AI tool turn your scripts into full video frame. And your video is ready. Let's try this AI Avatar Studio. Click on it. And here we choose the avatar. Click here. No, why doesn't work? Let's try again. We click on Avatar Studio. Here we choose the avatar, and no, I don't like this. Let's choose another one. Let's choose this woman, this girl, and here we type anything you want to say it. Copy paste your script and paste here, and this avatar will create for video for you. And if you want to try Submagic AI, you find the link in the description, and see you the next one.